G'day everyone, we've got presents. I went and ordered more stuff to help us on our way growing mushrooms. And I'll show you what we got if you like. Come and have a look. First thing I ordered is some more mushroom bags. Now it's always good to have a variety of sizes, as you might see if you watch my other videos, so you should watch my other videos if you're into mushrooms. If you're not into mushrooms, I don't know why you're watching this one. Go and watch one of my other fruit and veg ones instead. But anyway, we'll just get one of these out and I'll show you the size. So this is quite a long one. It's a reasonable size. It'll probably hold, oh, I don't know, make up a kilo and a half block of substrate and grain. And it's a great size for just general use. Now, I've had problems with my new autoclave. Well, it's not problems with the autoclave, it's learning how to use it properly. And Jay out at Root Lab, good Australian supplier of mushroom goodies, has been really helping me out with this. Anyway, the problem has been the bags have been melting, bursting, whatever, and I think Jay pointed me in the right direction. I know what the problem is. But also, some of these cheap bags, like these ones, they say they're okay for a pressure cooker, but they're not. So these sort I'm going to reserve for the pasteurized substrates like straw, lupin, which is another little hint. I'm going to stop using sugarcane mulch and start using lupin. Again, Jay said that is a much better substrate to grow. But back onto these. So if I'm growing king oysters, oyster mushrooms, other straw growing mushrooms, then these bags will be ideal. And I've got small ones and I've got larger ones. But as I said, always good to have a variety of sizes floating around. I bought a large number of them. I can't remember whether it was 50 or 100. And of course, no, it's a 50 pack. Yeah, 50 of them, and price up there. But relatively cheap, but not to be used in a pressure cooker. Continuing with our mushroom journey, I bought 2 of these. No, not sheets of paper. These are little monotubs. I've had one of them before. I've never had it succeed really because of the sterilisation issues. But now they have the autoclave, we're going to try it in full with the grain spawn portobellos that I'm actually growing from home. So we'll put this together and I'll show it to you. Cheap plastic tubing, little joint things to put it together with. They fit really fairly well. And then we have our cover, which is a fairly flexible, transparent, 3 holes in the front, 1 hole either end, and opens with the zipper. So you can see the size it's going to be. I think it's a pretty good size for growing portobello mushrooms. So now I'll have 3 of these and be able to sterilise the substrate. I'm hoping we'll be able to grow portobellos and other top fruiting type mushrooms in that. I shall do them later. So there it is, all together. Really quick and easy, except for the plugs are a little bit difficult. And we've got a monotub. The final thing I bought, this is really lashing out as an experiment, is this. It's like me, it's a stirrer, magnetic stirrer. The reason I've got this is I've started using liquids culture, and I'll link that video up here, or up here, or both, or wherever it goes anyway. But even though that's a little bit cheaper, and price is not my main driver, I thought, why not get some liquid culture and expand it out, which is meant to be pretty easy. But to do this, we've got to be able to keep stirring the culture up to break up the mycelium and help it spread. And it's inside a sterile jar, so we've got this. So let's just pop it out. I haven't opened it before. I got this one from Amazon, price up there, and we'll see what we've got. It's our magnetic stirrer remover. We've got a range of little stirrers, power supply, and the machine itself. there he is there. I just got a speed control, so it must be good. It's got the word lab in it. I'm going to set this up. We'll stir a jar of water or something and see how it goes. Imagine this is our liquid culture that we've just extended out. We pop our stirrer in there. We now go off and we sterilise this. So we've got a sealed jar, it's fully sterilised with our liquid culture in it. If we turn it on, you can see it's spinning nicely. So we only really have to stir it up relatively slowly. Come in and have a look. Now we'll turn it up. It can go too fast. So we just want to sort of stir it up like that. That'll mix our mycelium in. Turn it off and put it back out to grow. Then when we're ready to reclaim our stirrer, because this will be empty, we can just pull it out like that. We're going to need that because, as I said, that will be empty by the time we open it. Alright, does what we wanted it to. So not a bad haul. I'm going to have fun with some of this stuff. What do you reckon? You got any of it? Do you do your own liquid culture with my magic wand? If you do any of this and you got any hints, let me know in the comments, would you? Anyway, you guys like, subscribe, hit bell icon, zap. Enjoy life, catch you in the garden.